Ever look at your Christmas cactus and think, cute, but it only does pink, right? Plot twist, this holiday icon's been hiding a secret paint box. We're talking fire engine reds, moonlit whites, dreamy purples, tropical oranges, and even two-tone blooms that look hand-painted. If you've only met the basic blush, buckle up. These shades might rewrite what you thought you knew about this festive favorite. The red Christmas cactus is holiday cheer with a volume knob. Ruffled petals, think red aspen, bursts like ribbon candy. Popping against deep green foliage, it tosses confetti on a bookshelf and whispers, "Party here!" One flush of crimson turns a quiet corner into a fireplace moment, even if it's noon and your thermostat says otherwise. White Christmas is your indoor snowfall. Under warm lamps, it shimmers, casting a calm, frosty glow that makes minimalist rooms feel intentional, not empty. It's porcelain serene, spa day peaceful, and perfect beside matte black accents or pale wood. When the rest of December is loud, white is the elegant hush between songs. The classic and still a charmer, from ballet slipper blush to electric fuchsia. Pink plays nice with pastel rooms, and jungle-dense plant shelves alike. It ties color stories together without stealing the spotlight. Think of it as your friendly co-host, warm, flattering, and always ready for a close-up. Enter the plot twist. Varieties like Dark Ava serve lavender to violet drama that reads luxe and a little mysterious. Pair with metallic planters or moody walls and the blooms feel like jewelry under candlelight. It's rarer, which makes every flower feel like a limited drop for your windowsill runway. Orange, yes orange, proof winter can glow like July. These blooms bring sun-kissed energy to bright spaces, warming up cold light and waking tired rooms. Park it near a south window and it's basically a citrus spritzer for the eyes. Vibrant, tropical, and impossible to ignore. The bicolor is the show-off in the best way. Imagine pink melting into white or red dipping toward a golden throat. Watercolor gradients you can't stop staring at. Cultivars like Exotic Dancer look hand-brushed. Each bloom a tiny original. Texture, depth, dimension. Suddenly your holiday decor feels custom. Here's a quick tip. Lighting changes color. Warm bulbs deepen reds and soften whites. Cool daylight sharpens purples and oranges. Rotate a quarter turn weekly for even buds, and keep nights slightly cool to encourage that firework-style bloom show at home. So, which shade is calling you? Fiery red, porcelain white, sneaky glam purple, beach day orange, painterly bicolor, or the dependable pink that ties it all together? If this palette party surprised you, tap like, hit subscribe, and stick around. The plant world loves a plot twist, and we've got plenty more up our sleeves.